Hey everyone, Daniel back again with another knife here in Serenity Knives in our showroom and online at serenityknives.com. Today we've got Civivi. I will be showing you the Civivi Imperium. Now for me, this is actually one of my more favorite front flippers. Not really good at it, so I actually got that one, but this one's a really cool guy. I'm actually enjoying having this guy in the shop. I'm also getting a little bit, kind of in love with G-10 and the natural G-10. That's kind of been the craze lately. I'm really liking this. A lot of people do ask if it glows in the dark. It does not. This is just natural G-10. A lot of people call it Jade or green. But here we have the Civivi Imperium. We're going to have an overall length of 7.83 inches. The blade length will be 3.47, so right under 3.5. You have a cutting edge of it at about 3.125. The blade is basically a Nitro-V, which is a really nitrogen-rich stainless, which is really cool. Very good fan of Nitro-V. That's kind of been a really cool steel used a lot lately with Civivi, and I'm really liking it. They just keep doing really cool things with their company, and we love them here in the shop. We're going to have a stainless steel liner. So this is a liner lock, guys. And that front stud gives it a nice clean look when it's closed, which I really like. You're going to have a two-way pocket clip on this guy. And I'm just a good fan of that thumb stud being there in case you don't want to use the front flipper. But if you really get used to that, guys, and even if you just add a little wrist, you can really get that thing to flip. And I like this guy a lot. We're going to try and get some more of the models in here from the Imperium. So there's going to be a couple of Damascus models, and I think a couple of shredded carbon fiber in there too. It's going to be on bearings. It's going to have really nice stone wash finish to the Nitro-V. Nothing too crazy. You just that nice subtlety that gives it a little bit more of a unique look. But yeah, guys, the Civivi Imperium. Check it out online at serenityknives.com. Take a look, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.